So I've just made up this solution. So it's mashed up dog food and mealworms. So we're just gonna see if she's gonna have anything. Come on. Okay. There's some more. Just flicking it everywhere. Yeah. So we'll keep continuing trying and see how we go with that. I've got Mr. Sticky Beak here that wants to say hello. Yeah. He's not too sure what it is, but he's very curious of our new friend. So he's being very gentle. So I'm just keeping an eye on him. He wants to say hello. It's a baby. Yeah. Hello. So we'll keep up with the feeding. So I've made a little box for her, like a little nest. And she's yelling out, so I'm going to try and give her some more food. Okay, so she wants to be in my hands and try and feed her. Yeah, okay. Alright guys. So we're going to give this guy a feed. That's it. Hey. Oh, she's hungry. And she's flicking it everywhere. Good girl. So I've just been surrendering her some food. There she is, flicking it everywhere. You had a good little feed. Yes. There you go. I'm so happy she's had a little feed. So we just keep up with that every 4 hours and see how she goes. Good girl.